Hi, my name is Brandon, and we are at Pastores Park to talk about our biology project. My team is conformed by César, Rodríguez, Daniela Figueroa, Nayibe, Alanís, and Berumen. We are here to talk about different characteristics of animals and their scientific name and other things that we are here to observe and to analyze and write in our notes to complete this project. So now we're gonna get into the park and start looking at them.
Hello, my name is Daniel Berumen and I'm going to talk about the white Bengal tiger, whose scientific name is Panthera tigris tigris. The Bengal tiger natural habitat is varied. They can live in grasslands, subtropical and tropical rainforests, scrub forests, wet and dry deciduous forests, and mangroves. As they live in the mentioned regions, they are used to temperatures of around 20 degrees Celsius. Some of its abiotic factors are rocks, water, and nitrogen shelters. The biotic factors are plants and other animals. Bengal tigers are fierce predators. They are on the top of the food chain and eat many grazing primary consumers. However, as a tertiary consumer, they also eat secondary consumers like the wild bear. And finally, they are important in the food chain as they control natural prey populations.
My name is César and I'm going to talk about the rabbit. Its scientific name is Oryctolagus cuniculus. The rabbit habitats are the meadows, forests, grasslands, sagebrush, woods, deserts, wetlands, and dense thickets with a moderate climate. The biotic factors may be the grass and the bushes. The abiotic factors may be the water, the soil, and the sunlight. The rabbit is in the second level and it's a consumer. It's important because it's an herbivore and it's the food source for carnivores.
Hello, my name is Daniela Figueroa and I'm going to talk about the ocelot. The ocelot is a small wildcat native to the southwestern United States, Mexico, and Central and South America. Its scientific name is Leopardus pardalis. It habits in rainforests, mountainous areas, and even semi-desert, where there are tropical temperatures, which are warmer than 18 degrees. One biotic factor that affects the ocelot is food, such as fish, birds, rabbits, etc. And as for abiotic factors, well, it's the environment, such as rain, water, foliage, and temperature. The ocelot is a carnivore. This means that it's at the top of the food chain. And it's important because when carnivores eat herbivores, energy is transferred from one to another. Also, it's a heterotroph because it takes nutrition from other animals.
Giraffa camelopardalis is the scientific name for the giraffe. Giraffe can inhabit savannas, grasslands, or open woodlands. The African savanna is characterized by rolling grasslands that are warm year-round. The West African giraffe lives in a typical desert. Tiger bush is the habitat they live in. Trees and cacti are biotic factors in the desert. Sand and temperature are some abiotic factors. The giraffe is classified as a consumer in the food chain, meaning that it only eats plants and no other animals. However, their tall stature also helps them to see predators at a great distance and move off before they are in danger. Giraffe host ticks, providing food for tick-eating birds. The birds, in turn, help giraffe by removing the pest. Giraffe eat more than 100 pounds of leaves per week, traveling far distance to find food.
Mexican wolf, scientific name, Canis lupus bailei. Habitat. Early accounts of the distribution of the Mexican wolf included southeastern Arizona, southwestern New Mexico, and sometimes western Texas, USA, and Sierra Madre Occidental in Mexico. This past distribution is supported by ecological, morphological, and physiographic data. Now, these zones are very known to be deserts, grasslands, and mountains. This animal lives in dry or desert climates. Now, biotic and abiotic factors. It is part of biotic factors. It is found in the predator-prey relationship. Position in the food chain. This predator is at the top of the food chain, which it means it's an apex predator. It's a carnivore, so that's a consumer type, and its importance in the food chain is very, very big. The gray wolf actually helps to the environment as the top predator, or apex predator. They balance the food chain by stopping the overpopulation of other herbivores. Unfortunately, and sadly, the wolves are getting extinct. The extinction of the wolves could lead to the population of herbivores in the area to overpopulate. That will make the grass and producers run out. In the end, we would just be wrecking out the food chain.
I'm gonna talk about the crocodile, whose scientific name is Crocodrilinae. This magnificent carnivore is commonly found in tropical habitats of Africa, Asia, America, and Australia. Their climates are freshwater and slightly salty environments. The biotic factor they have are the prey that they hunt, such as fishes, turtles, and various mammals, while the abiotic factor are the tropical and subtropical heat. The water bodies like lakes, rivers, and swamps where they live, and they are almost on all of the time at the top of the food chain. And the importance there is to help keep balance the complex web of life in ecosystems.
Well, this is the conclusion of our biology project, and we already finished the visit to the park. Well, we already observed some animals, we already focus on some of them, and we already analyzed and see some characteristics of them.
You belong with me.